Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find out the country of your Instagram account. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and be sure to write your comments at the end of the video. And let's get into this topic. Before we begin, please open the Instagram app on your phone. After which, go to the page where you want to recognize the country. After that, in the top right corner, tap on the three dots. Now select the option Pause. Learn about this account. And here you will be able to see the country where the person is using the account. Sometimes you may not write the country here because the person hasn't set it up. In Instagram settings. Also, here you can write when the person was registered on Instagram and when the person was verified. Friends, this is the simple way you can find out the country of the account in Instagram app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, be sure to write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.